Dear all, in this video we see the biodegradation of lignin by lignin peroxidase. The catalytic cycle of lignin peroxidase, like manganese peroxidase, is initiated by the binding of H2O2 or an organic peroxide to a native ferric enzyme. The complex thus formed is cleaved, resulting in the oxidation of Mn2 plus into Mn3 plus. Chelates of Mn3 plus with carboxylic acids, for example oxalate, malonate, malate, cause 1 electron oxidations. Phenolic and amino aromatic compounds are oxidized by the removal of hydrogen atom to form phenoxyl and amino radicals respectively. This radical is further oxidized by Mn3 plus to form a carbon-centered cation. The subsequent loss of cation produces ketone dimer. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.